Hello, my name is Aleš and I work as a research associate at Advacam. Last time we showed you what's included in our EDUKit, and today I'm going to show you what experiments you can perform with this equipment. Here we have our mounting device, which allows you to easily position the detector and also position the source of radiation like this. As you can see on the screen, the closer I get with the source, the more radiation I have. And here I'm using the PIXED software, which you also get in the EDUKit. PIXED software can be used for basic data analysis as well. Here on the right, you can see some statistical data, such as pixel count, total number of events, or mean value of events. As you can see right now, there is no barrier between the detector and the source of radiation, which in this case is americium. Americium radiation contains two types of particles. One of them are alpha particles, and the second type of radiation is gamma radiation. In our PIXED software, you can distinguish between these two types of radiation. These clusters right here are the alpha particles, and these 1 pixel events are gamma radiation. Right now, I'm going to demonstrate the absorption of alpha and gamma radiation using two metal plates. Here we have two metal plates. One of them is aluminum foil, and here is a lead plate. Now let's see what happens when we add these metal foils between the detector and the source of radiation. I will start the measurement now, and we will see that when we place the foil here, there are no alpha particles anymore, which means that they were absorbed by the metal foil. But as you can see, there are still these 1 pixel events, which are gamma radiation. Now let's see what happens when we place here the lead plate. As you can see, the measurement is still running, but there is no radiation observed due to higher absorption of radiation in lead. Down here, you can also see the energy spectrum of the radiation. If you want to perform these experiments and learn more about our EDUKit, go visit our website advacam.com.